Well, as you can see right now, we still at the installation of the meter ball. We actually hooked up the gauge to do our pressure test from inside. As you can see, the way I'm running the lines all the way across here. This is going to be to invert that boiler from oil to gas. This is our line. Over here, you can see we're coming through here. We'll be coming through here to come here for a gas line for wash and dryer. And then we will be continuing to back there underneath that window. Actually inside the window, which is a crawl space, to send up a line upstairs 3/4 inch for a stove. We'll get back to you and show you what's going on when we get back.